I am Tamil Selvan, Zonal Officer, Chennai Corporation of Ambattur Zone. So we are doing lot of activities regarding to prevent the coronavirus. As a part of that, we have introduced sector workers, focus volunteers and outreach workers to reach the public to do day to day, and every day they will conduct the they have the survey, and the street wise they will go to the street wise and take the survey in the each and every household. They will take the survey. During the survey they will take the ILI symptoms, that is fever, any fever, the cough, that is breathlessness, any symptoms of ILI they will take they will record, and immediately they will pass on the messages to our sanitary inspector and assistant engineers. So now corporation, what we have done, we have made a COVID response team which is headed by our assistant executive engineer. Under that team we are having assistant engineer, then sanitary inspector. Then nowadays we are having for each and every division we are having DHO, that is divisional health officer. That person is called as a divisional health officer. Normally we will have only one zonal health officer per zone. Now for this COVID-19, our government and corporation of Chennai are jointly done a very marvelous job and given our support for each and every zone, and given one doctor for each and every zone. So what our peoples are doing every day, during the briefing morning, they will conduct a briefing meeting. That time all these peoples will get to interact with the peoples of the sector workers and the focus volunteers and outreach workers, and they will morning they will give the briefing what to be done during the roll call. They will give the instruction what to be done during the entire day. And at the end of the day, after around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, they will have a debriefing. What else they have done? What is the cases they have identified? How many symptomatic persons they have identified? These are all the outputs we will get from the field workers, and accordingly we will plan our strategies, and accordingly we will deploy move our patients to the testing centers. From that testing centers we will get the persons tested. Accordingly, once the person is tested, what we people are nowadays we are doing, when the person is tested, immediately we are putting the person inside quarantine. The person will be immediately, the person's household will be immediately pasted with the stickers. That is called the green stickers we are having. That we have separate marking for green and brown stickers. Brown stickers. Today we are, that's what I want to sell. Today we are. Previously, we are introduced sector workers and focus volunteers to reach the to the slums and to the that is lower income groups. We specially designed a strategy because of the sector workers. We could not able to get some input from whatever required, because normally NGOs will have a very good rapport with the that is people who have slums. So we want to tap that things. So our commissioner what is it? He has introduced that the NGOs, that is that we are calling us outreach workers. We are introducing all these people into the field. They will conduct the ILI, they will bring the ILI symptoms. They will periodically get in touch with the peoples and give the easy activities. Not only how to wash the hands, how to make the social distancing, how to use the mask. Using of the mask is also very, very important. So using of the mask is also being practiced to the slum dwellers. So all these being activities. So in our zones, around 5 NGOs has been deployed. That is one among that is ICWA. That these people are doing carrying out his work is at 91 and 92 division. So they are wonderfully today is the start of the program for us. So today they have started the awareness program. As a mark of it, they have conducted a very good introduce the Chennai Ghana, because normally for each and everything you cannot go in an academic manner. So it's getting the things in academic manner will not reach the public in time. So we have to reach the public in very short time, for which we have to introduce this type of activities. So we have to put it in the lighter vein. So getting into the lighter wind is very easier. So it will reach the public in a very good manner. So that's why we have introduced the Chennai Ghana. Today they have given a very good song. It's very challenging, very interesting. Even we could not able to stand without tapping our hands and tapping our legs. So that is how this type of songs will attract us. So this is attracted is very well. So this from today we have started. Today we have planned at 6 places. This rally has started. This rally will go for 6 places. Tomorrow we have planned for another 6 places. So I think this will go well and will control the corona in a really very good short time. Thank you.
And your name and designation?
I am Tamil Selvan, Zonal Officer, Ambattur, Chennai Corporation.
This is in each NGO have been allotted particular area and division. We are into Zone 7 and Division 90 and 91. So this 2 division we are taking care. And in this there are cooperation will help us to identify certain areas where there are more prone for the COVID-19 cases, or already there are rise in the areas where they identified, and those packets we have listed down and scheduled it to reach those people who are at risk of COVID-19 in Zone 7.
So you are going to cover this?
The program is scheduled for 2 days, where 6 programs will be organized in a day. 3 in morning session and 3 in the evening, and 2 days. And 12 programs will be planned. And 24,000 audience we will reach this, and distributing 3,000 masks, 2,000 Kabasara Kudnir, and 2,000 posters and 1,500 handouts will be distributed in this 2 days campaign.
Can you tell about the artists who performed here with the Chennai traditional?
Now if you see in last 5 days, last 5 years, this Ghana is picking up among young people. Chennai Ghana local songs, where local people who are not very professional in writing skills, they write Ghana, observing what happened around them, and they write in a very simple and local colloquial way, so that people get connected immediately to that song, and it was effectively reached in last 5 years. So we have involved very famous Ghana singers like Ghana Edwin and Dolak Aswin, were specialists in very popular in this field, and we are planning to involve more Atutoti, Kamalanathan, Ghana Chinu. We are also planning to use during this 2 days campaign.
Thank you, sir. And name and designation?
AJ Ariyaran, Secretary, ICWO.